morning. Good morning. Sorry I'm late. And I'm going to be quick. Yeah. Go. So, welcome to Lunar Beats Crypto. We ride the waves of the crypto market. How are you guys doing? Can someone share my stream, please? At 32 9er 56. It's okay. Even if I do this alone, it's okay. All right, guys. So, taking a look at the Dixie. Yeah. So we got a busy week ahead. Before we get into the Dixie, my bad. Let's go over here to. Let's check out the Forex Factory. Sorry, guys. I gotta be quick. Let's see. Calendar. Where's the calendar? Why are you there? It is. You not loading? Good morning, L. Jones. Good morning. It says viewers. That's weird. So this week, I guess everything doesn't start until Wednesday. I thought that we had something Monday and Tuesday, but I guess not. Maybe they are some yellow folders. Let's add yellow and orange. Apply the filter. Okay, so yeah, nothing until Tuesday, and that's just a NFIB small business index and a 10-year bond auction. So yeah, Wednesday's the big day. So Monday and Tuesday I expect will be the setup for Wednesday. Usually the stock market likes to see the reversal or like a midweek reversal or continuation before crypto does. Crypto usually goes, Bitcoin usually goes the following day on Thursday or late that evening during the China session on Wednesday. Yo, what's going on, Justin Eubanks? What is going on? It's going to have to be a quick stream. So yeah, we have the Dixie sitting here. I've got some stuff set up. So I really like that stuff that I was going over in Chart Prime yesterday, the Prime screener. And I just threw a whole bunch of assets into it, and I was like, let me go check that out. Threw all kinds of stuff, a bunch of cryptos, and then I got the Dixie and the S&P 500, ETH, BTC, Tesla, Clean Spark. EOS. Why do I have EOS on here? I must have clicked something. Come over here. Let's get rid of EOS. Sorry, EOS. I don't want you on here. And then I'll add something else on there later. Need to add here in your Discord for peeps so peeps don't miss out. Well, yeah. I mean, they can. I just hopped on. So if anybody could go and share my stuff out, I mean, that'd be cool. Thank you. Sorry, couldn't breathe. Dixie. So Dixie is bullish. It's got a prime score of 6, consolidation score of 10, which is kind of wild. And it's just sitting there at a 10 on the consolidation on the weekly. Ooh. So is it going to break out or what? And if the Dixie breaks out, I mean, we are above the zero line as well on the Chart Prime Oscillator Pro. Yeah. So what we would like to see is maybe a push up to the upside. Let's see. Push up to the upside on the Dixie. Maybe take out the highs just a little bit, but meet some resistance and then roll over. But this would be nice to have this come up and this come up short, and we create a bearish divergence, and then our assets can get going. Now, what would cause the Dixie to go crazy the week of the FOMC? Not sure. I say the Dixie would go crazy if we had a rate cut. Why? Because then the Dixie, the dollar would be in demand. I don't know. dollar demand means dollar go up, right? Well, it's actually more so the USD CAD, the Canadian dollar. We need that one to go down. We need the Aussie to go up against the dollar. We need the euro to go up against the dollar. We need the British pound to go up against the dollar. And we need the yen to go up against the dollar. But this is the USD yen, and it's just like the Canadian dollar. We need these to go down. Alexandra GGG unit, what is going on? Appreciate you guys for being here. Need to add, I don't have permission to do at here. Gotcha on X. Thank you, Justin Eubanks. Thank you, sir. Thank you. I thought I saw Blackie Chan. I don't know. Good morning. All right. So, yep. Pretty quick stuff here. So, I'm leaning a little bullish on the Dixie. If we come out to the monthly chart, we can see that we have come down. We swept last month's lows, and we started to push higher. So coming down here, sweeping those lows, and then starting to push higher kind of makes me think that right here kind of makes me think, okay, we're going to we've got equal highs up here, so the Dixie is going to be reaching for these equal highs up here. Get a nice little wick above that is all we really need for the Dixie. But with the Dixie being bullish, inverse correlated with Bitcoin may be bearish. All right, let me turn this off here real quick. All right, so we've got the Market Oracle Pro up. We've got all kinds of stuff going on here. Right now, I am favoring with the Dixie being bullish, I kind of want to see Bitcoin pull back. We do have this fair value gap. Where are my favorites? There you are. Fair value gap right here on the 4 hour that we did get into a little bit over the weekend. I was kind of expecting that a little bit because I was looking at this previous move. Where is it? Hold on. This previous move right here. But it's like we were in right here. Right here. Let me pull a bars pattern on here. I did this the other night. Hold on. Let me turn this stuff off. It might help with the lagging. There we go. All right. Shrinkflation. I don't have my wicks on. Where's my wicks? So kind of similar in their price action. These two right here. Kind of similar. We can see. So this was the finishing move. This was the finishing move price action of our one of our corrections on our way to the upside. And, I'm basically just trying to show you the structure of this so you can see what I'm kind of looking for. A kind of a push down going into maybe the FOMC on Wednesday. And then we get a reversal sometime this week. So a little more downside at the beginning of the week is what I am looking for and kind of hoping for, because it kind of just makes my thesis be on track, right? And then a push to the upside. And this will just help get us going and get us out of here. Get us out of this range that we've been stuck in for 3 months now. So that's what I'm looking for with Bitcoin. Just let's get a reversal. Let's start this next leg up. I think it's going to happen. I think it's going to happen within the next week and a half. I feel like we're that close to wrapping up this whole sideways action, and we can finally get out of here and have fun, because we haven't had fun since March 14th. It's been a long time. It's been a long time since we've had some fun. This was a little bit of fun, but wasn't a lot of fun. Short-lived fun, for sure. Still think we're in that second wave, and we're still doing, we still have this, this sideways channel here, this range that we're just stuck in, and I'm just looking for, we've got a little bit of a deviation above the range. I would like to see a little deviation below the range, and then a move back to the upside, and just continue this bull move. And this would be like 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5. 5-wave structure. So this was like the first correction of the 5-wave move to the upside. Any questions, class? Did any of you bring me an apple? I don't know. I'm delirious. Delirious. Okay, I'm delirious. The SPY is getting a little bit overheated. It has gotten into the momentum bands of the Chart Prime Market Oracle Pro, but it is above the dynamic reactor. So that is good. This is very good. We want the S&P to continue going. And why is that? Why is that? Well, let's turn this stuff off here. Let's turn this stuff off. Let's get my wicks back. Apple. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh, I just can't do that here. No, sir. Y'all funny. What was I doing? No, I was distracted. I was dead at the time. Okay, here we go. Bitcoin. New price peg. Bitcoin's not at all. Hold on, let me put this on. No, it's not on. It's not on log. My goodness. Maybe. Oh, there we go. All right. Can I make this on log? I want this on log. Oh, I can. Okay. There we go. Now we can kind of see. All right, so we have the S&P. So Bitcoin topped before the S&P. They both had a little retrace at the same time. Come down, pretty much S&P bottomed before Bitcoin right here. Came back up. Bitcoin topped and S&P topped right about the same time. S&P the very next week. But came down, bottom for the S&P. A couple weeks later, bottom for Bitcoin. And, it kind of does follow the price action a little bit. As long as the S&P is moving to the upside, Bitcoin more than likely will also be moving to the upside. So that is why I'm taking a look at the S&P. We are following it pretty tightly here on this whole move up from this low, these lows. S&P actually bottomed out before Bitcoin. But then they've been kind of rocking up at the same time, little dip right around the same time. And then they keep going. Bitcoin kind of starting to outpace it here. Bitcoin pullback, S&P pullback, both at the same time, both pushing back to the upside at the same time. Are all these markets going to get going together? Is there going to be a great melt up? That is what we are facing right now. The idea, the thought of a great melt up oof, it's kind of scary and awesome at the same time. Kind of scary and awesome. Ethereum, what are you doing, you ugly piece of crap? No. Yeah, with Ethereum, it's just kind of, well, so basically with everything, I'm waiting for the buying opportunity, like the buying opportunity. If you're just going on spot, then I think anytime this week after maybe Wednesday would be a good, decent buying opportunity. So yeah, but I think that we should see some pullbacks this week that give us our entries for everything, for just about pretty much everything. But I will be looking heavily into alts. This whole list right here, most of it I will be considering taking a look at, or most of it I will be considering buying, at least on the what do you call it, the crypto over here. Probably not BNB, definitely not BNB really. I think I might buy some Doge. But yeah, a lot of stuff. I've got AVAX, Fetch, AI. He probably won't buy that. Solana probably won't buy that. Maybe XRP. But Solana, it's already had a massive run. Injective, definitely. GRT, the graph, definitely for sure. AI play, and Ethereum. And then I'll be looking into other stuff too. Like Near Protocol, maybe Render, maybe Stacks, maybe Ordi, Bitcoin related stuff. But yeah, I'll be looking at a lot of stuff. Man, could you imagine this slam down for ETH? People would freak out, dude. People would freak out, dude. Absolute mayhem. Let's put this here. Sorry, I watched a lot of Shane Gillis this weekend. Yeah, man. Yeah, dude. My dad is an XRP maxi. That's so funny because my dad is a Bitcoin maxi, and he would, my dad and your dad would get into a fight. Oh, it's funny because it's true. True. See this come down. Oop. I'm on the daily. Let's just see it just freaking spike down and then just whapa right back to the upside. Just come on, snap right back to the upside. Doesn't even necessarily have to go that low. It can just come down here to the dynamic reactor. It could come down there and bounce. That would fill up this gap on this candle. So that is what I would be looking for on the Ethereum. Is a nice gap, fill of the gap with a some type of market structure shift, some type of reversal type of price action in here. Where we come down, fill that gap, and then we get a nice reversal of some kind in here, right? What we really want to see is some impulsive movements to the upside and get going. So yeah, total 2. This is your altcoins. This is everything minus Bitcoin. Total 2. We're just waiting for a breakout here. Just waiting for the breakout. Yep, right there. So we're just waiting for the breakout. Maybe a retest. Continue higher. This is, we can call this descending wedge, maybe. Yeah. But just break out of this and alt will go absolutely insane. So we're getting close to the end of this consolidation range, and then everything should pop off. Should, keyword should. But we'll just have to wait and see. But anyway, guys, let's go over here to Bitcoin. Let's go down to the smaller trend time frames real quick. Excuse me. Oh, there we go. Let's see. We've dug into that 4 hour fair value gap a little bit over the weekend. And yeah, we've come back down. We've swept these equal. Did we sweep these equal lows? Or do we create more? Okay, so this is on a spot. Let me go to a perp. Did we sweep the lows there? No. All right. All right. There we go. So that's just building up a little bit more liquidity down below us that we can take out later on. So yeah, we'll just have to see. Nice pickup in volume here. Prime Oscillator Pro kind of shifting back to the upside, but as soon as it breaks trend, this thing will probably move back down to the downside. So just be looking for possible reversals if this thing gets any higher up into this fair value gap. Yeah, outside of that, I'll keep you guys updated as much as possible in the Discord. I got to get going. I got to go to work. All right, guys. So I hope you all have an amazing, wonderful, beautiful, radical day. Ride the waves. Peace out. Mad love, guys. Thank you for joining me. If I can find my mouse, that'd be great. All right. I love you. Bye.